For a long time, I asked myself, what is Maya? And my understanding of this elusive concept was complete only when I traversed through the poetry of three saint poets who voiced their beliefs on Maya. In Kabir's Doha, Tukaram's Abhang, and Kanakadasa's Devarnama, all three poets have visualized Maya through a different lens. Each poem helped me open a new window, and eventually, layer after layer, all my confusions about Maya were peeled off to bring clarity to my understanding of Maya. It was as though each poem helped me climb a step towards the truth. Kabir says, I have come to know the illusory power. Maya is a great thug. Her hands sway holding a web-like trap, and she speaks in a sweet voice. What does he mean by this? Does he mean that anything that is attractive and beautiful is Maya? Does that mean that my dance too is Maya? And at some stage of my artistic journey, does my dance restrict me from moving into another realm, thereby pushing me to dive deeper into the knowledge of art? Tukaram in his Abhang said, Maya is Brahman and Brahman is Maya, just like the unity of body and its shadow. This means that Maya is inseparable from me. It is in my very life, in my very dance, and in my very thoughts, just like my shadow. Kanakadasa questioned, are you inside the illusion, or is the illusion within you? Are you inside the body, or is the body within you? This means that not only am I inseparable from Maya, but it is within me. It is my very life, my very dance. In fact, the whole world is but a manifestation of Maya. At this juncture, when I now revisit Kabir's Doha, I better understand the depth of what he meant when he wrote, I have come to know the illusory power, Maya, to be a great thug. Her hands sway holding a web-like trap, and she speaks in a sweet voice. I must be conscious of Maya, and I must use her to unshackle and liberate me rather than let Maya restrict me. I must use my life and my dance to unshackle from the very Maya that will help me do it. Maya is but an illusion that will lead us to the ultimate truth. I'm happy and thankful that Warrior Foundation has made me a part of the wonderful initiative Pratiroop, and I'm extremely grateful to my mentor Srimati Rama Vaidyanathan, who has helped me beautifully explore the concept of Maya through this piece. The music composition and vocals has been done by Shri Karthik Hebbar, Mridangam by Shri G.S. Nagaraj, and flute by Shri Rakesh Dutt. In fact, in the process of the music composition, Shri Karthik Hebbar has tried to mirror and assimilate the thoughts of Ramaka and myself on Maya in the music composition as well. The piece begins with Maya Malav Gauda, which is also called Rag Bhairav, keeping in the nomenclature of the raga, and also because it is a morning raga which shows the dawn of the conscience. It then moves on to Pantuvaradi, which is Maya Madavagowda with Tivra or Pratimadhyama, which shows the heightened conscience of the seeker who has now entered into the realm of images and mirror images, which will indicate body and the shadow, and also depict how these two are intertwined infinitely into one another. The piece then moves on to Jog, which has all the high frequency swaras, and in some chalans, he has also used dual forms of the same note to indicate the Bimba and Pratibimba. Finally, the music and the piece ends with Raga Sindhu Bhairavi, which literally is the flow of all notes in the river of oneness, which is also indicative that the seeker is now the realized one who understands that everything and nothing mean the same. I'm also thankful to my mother and Guru, Srimati Vaijayanti Kashi, who has etched me to be the dancer that I am today. Presenting before you an honest attempt to understand and explore Maya.
Saint Kabir says, Maya Mahathagni hum jani. Tirgana fasaliye kardole, bole madhure bani. I have come to know the illusory power, Maya, to be a great thug. Her hands sway holding a web-like trap, and she speaks in a sweet voice. Maya Mahathagni hum jani.
हम जाने माया महाठगनी 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 हम जाने माया हम जानी तिरगुन पास लिए कर डोले बोले मधुर बानी माया महा ठगनी हम जानी तिरगुन पास लिए कर बोले बोले मधुर बानी माया महा ठगनी हम जानी तेरे गुण पास लिए कर डोले बोले मधुर बानी माया महा ठगनी हम जानी तेरे गुण पास लिए कर डोले बोले मधुर बानी माया महा ठगनी हम जानी तेरे गुण पास लिए कर डोले बोले मधुर बानी माया महा ठगनी माया माया
Saint Tukaram in his Abhang mentions Maya techi Brahma, Brahma techi Maya, Ang ani chaya tayapari. The Brahman is Maya and Maya is Brahman. This is like the unity of body and its shadow. Maya techi Brahma, Brahma techi Maya.
माया तेची ब्रह्म ब्रह्म तेची माया माया तेची ब्रह्म ब्रह्म तेची माया अंग आणि छाया तया परी अंग आणि छाया तया परी माया तेची ब्रह्म ब्रह्म तेची माया माया तेची ब्रह्म ब्रह्म तेची माया अंग आणि छाया तया परी अंग आणि छाया तया परी हे माया तेची ब्रह्म ब्रह्म तेची माया माया तेची ब्रह्म ब्रह्म तेची माया अंग आणि छाया तया परी अंग आणि छाया तया परी हे माया तेची ब्रह्म ब्रह्म तेची माया माया तेची ब्रह्म ब्रह्म तेची माया अंग आणि छाया तया परी अंग आणि छाया तया परी माया तेची ब्रह्म ब्रह्म तेची माया माया तेची ब्रह्म ब्रह्म तेची माया अंग आणि छाया तया परी अंग आणि छाया तया परी माया तेची ब्रह्म
ताम धनत धन धनत धन ताम धनत धन तत्तोम तत्तोम धीम धनत धन धनत धन धीम धनत धन तत्तोम तत्तोम तद्धन्न धन्न तज्जೊಣ್ಣು ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತದ್ಧಿಮ್ಮಿ ಧಿಮ್ಮಿ ಧನಕಿಟತಕ ಜೊಣಕಿಟತಕ ತಾಮ್ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಧೀಮ್ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತೋಮ್ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಕಿಡದಕ ದರ್ಗಿಡದೋಮ್ ಧೀಮ್ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಧೀಮ್ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಕಿಡದಕ ದರ್ಗಿಡದೋಮ್ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ 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 ತಕ್ಕಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತರಕಿಡತೋಮ್ ತಕ ತರಕಿಡತೋಮ್ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಗು ತರಕಿಡತೋಮ್ ತರಕಿಡದೀಮ್ 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 ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಕಿಡದೀಮ್ 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 ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಕಿಡದೀಮ್ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಕಿಡದೀಮ್ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ
माया तेची ब्रह्म ब्रह्म तेची माया माया तेची ब्रह्म ब्रह्म तेची माया अंग आणि छाया तया परी अंग आणि छाया तया परी माया तेची ब्रह्मा माया तेची ब्रह्मा ब्रह्म तेची माया
In his popular composition, Saint Kanakadasa questions, ನೀ ಮಾಯೆಯೊಳಗೋ ನಿನ್ನೊಳು ಮಾಯೆಯೋ ನೀ ದೇಹದೊಳಗೋ ನಿನ್ನೊಳು ದೇಹವೋ Are you inside the illusion or is the illusion within you? Are you inside the body or is the body within you? ನೀ ಮಾಯೆಯೊಳಗೋ ನಿನ್ನೊಳು ಮಾಯೆಯೋ
ನೀ ಮಾಯೆಯೊಳಗೋ ನಿನ್ನೊಳು ಮಾಯೆಯೋ ನೀ ದೇಹದೊಳಗೋ ನಿನ್ನೊಳು ದೇಹವು ನೀ ಮಾಯೆಯೊಳಗೋ ನಿನ್ನೊಳು ಮಾಯೆಯೋ ನೀ ದೇಹದೊಳಗೋ ನಿನ್ನೊಳು ದೇಹವೋ 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 ನೀ ಮಾಯೆಯೊಳಗೋ ಅಗನಂ ದನಂ 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 ದದಾನಂ ದಂ ಅಗನಂ ದನಂ 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 ದತಾನಂ ದಂ ಅಗನಂ ದನಂ 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 ದ ಅಗನಂ ದನಂ 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 ದ ಅಗನಂ ದನಂ ಅಗನಂ ದನಂ ಅಗನಂ ದನಂ ಅಗನಂ ದನಂ ಅಗನಂ ದನಂ 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 ದನ ದಾನಂ ದನಂ 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 ತನಂ ਦਰ 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 ਤੁਮ ਦਾ ਨਾ ਨਾ ਦਾ ਨਾ 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 ਦਾ ਨੋ 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 ਦਾ ਨੋ ਦਰ 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 ਤੁਮ ਦਾ ਨਾ ਨਾ ਦਾ ਨਾ 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 ਦਾ ਨੋ ਨੋ ਤੁਮ ਦਾ ਨੋ ਦਰ 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 ਤੁਮ ਨਾ 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 ਦਰ 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 ਤੁਮ ਦਾ ਨਾ 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 ਦਾ ਨੋ 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 ਦਾ ਨਾ 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 Dum 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 ನೀ ಮಾಯೆಯೊಳಗೋ ನಿನ್ನೊಳು ಮಾಯೆಯೋ ನೀ ದೇಹದೊಳಗೋ ನಿನ್ನೊಳು ದೇಹವೋ 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 ನೀ ಮಾಯೆಯೊಳಗೋ माया महातगनी हम जानी माया महातगनी हम जानी माया महातगनी हम जानी माया महाठगनी हम जानी तेरे गुण फास लिए कर मधुर बानी माया महाठगनी हम जानी तेरे गुण पास लिए कर डोले बोले मधुर बानी माया महाठगनी हम जानी तेरे गुण पास लिए कर डोले बोले मधुर बानी माया महाठगनी हम जानी तेरे गुण पास लिए कर डोले बोले मधुर बानी माया माया महाठगनी माया माया हम जानी हम जानी हम जानी हम जानी हम जानी हम जानी माया